Hello students, I welcome you all on Europedia education platform. So today I am going to give you one update regarding one PSU, that is Mini Ratna PSU, so that is MOIL Limited. So that is Manganese Ore India Limited. So regarding this I am going to give you one update. So students, this MOIL, so it advertised some vacancies in, I will say, that is February 2020 for graduate trainee and management trainees. So its exam has already been conducted. Its exam has already been conducted on, I will say, that is 16th January. 16th January 2021, its online exam has already been conducted, and now its interview letters are out now. Okay, so they have given us the list on their website in which some students, in which some candidates have been selected for next round. So that is a personal interview round. So these posts were advertised in at on 18th February 2020, and the online exam was conducted on 16th January 2021. Okay, now the interview letters have been out, and you can download the interview letters from their website, and the last date to download your interview letter is 24th June. Okay, so see here now. So these were the posts that were advertised. So that was graduate trainee mines, graduate trainee process chemical, metallurgy, mineral processing, then management trainees in material marketing, contract management, personal welfare, finance, and accounts. So for these posts, the online computer test has already been conducted, and now their interview call letters has been out. So so the commencement beginning of call letter download date is 2nd June, and closure of call letter download is 24th June. So here you can put your registration number or roll number or your password and this image, and you can log in and you can download your, this is interview call letter. Okay, and this personal interview will be of 15 marks. This personal interview will be of 15 marks. So your written marks plus personal interview marks will decide your rank in the merit list. Okay, now MOIL, that is formerly known as Manganese Ore India Limited, is a Mini Ratna Category 1 PSU under Ministry of Steel, Government of India. Okay, and it is the largest manganese ore producer in the country, operating 11 mines spread in the states of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, students. So again, this is, I will say, a very good PSU, and you can download your interview call letters from this page. So these are the posts for which interview call letters has already been uploaded on their website, and these are the names of the candidates who have been selected for, I will say, graduate trainee mining post. So those candidates on the basis of, I will say, written test, they have been shortlisted for graduate trainee mining. So these are the roll numbers for mining, and similarly for personal welfare management trainee also. So this is the list. Some 33 candidates have been shortlisted on the basis of this written test, and this is management trainee finance and accounts. This is management trainee contract management, graduate trainee process chemical, graduate trainee metallurgy. So these are the, I will say, number of students who have been shortlisted on the basis of the written test for interview. So students can download their interview call letter from this page, I will say, by entering your registration number, password, and this captcha image. So friends, Yourpedia can help you in, as you know, that is in mock, I will say, mock interview. As you know that Yourpedia is giving the consultancy for interviews. So those students who have been shortlisted for interview, so they can avail the, I will say, that is consultancy of Yourpedia for interview. Okay, so how to prepare your introduction part, how to prepare your subject, how to justify your gap. Okay, so then HR interview and any other technical round or interview related to project. So in these fields, Yourpedia can help these students. So those students who have been shortlisted, for the interview round, they can seek the help of YourPedia. We are providing the contact number and the Google form link in the description. Okay, so you can seek YourPedia help to prepare your personal interview for this PSU. Okay, friends. So thank you very much.